Hello and welcome to another episode here at the free review for the licensure examination for agriculturists. In this video, we will talk about plant nutrition and nutrient management. So now we will go to computation of the fertilizer requirement. So before we start, let's just define some terms muna. So una, fertilizer recommendations. So kapag sinabi natin fertilizer recommendations, so it is the weight of fertilizer nutrient applied to 1 hectare. So, karaniwan, itong fertilizer recommendation, ito yung nakabigay doon sa mismong problem. So, for example, compute sa kung gaano karami yung ilalagay on this type of fertilizer recommendation. Okay, so most of the time given yan. So, kapag nakakita ka ng 135, 60, 60, it just means na merong 135 kilos of nitrogen in 1 hectare, 60 kilos of phosphorus, 1 hectare, tapos 60 kilos din ng potassium sa 1 hectare. Okay? So, fertilizer recommendation, weight of fertilizer nutrient applied to 1 hectare. So, kapag sa problem, 2 hectares yung lalagyan, so it means dodoblehin mo to. Okay? Okay. So, sa fertilizer grade naman, nutrient content of the fertilizer. So, kung sa fertilizer recommendation, ito yung kailangan ng field, yung fertilizer grade, ito yung meron na nutrient doon sa fertilizer na meron ka. So, guaranteed analysis of fertilizer material. So, let us say, for example, sa urea, 4600, meron siyang 46% noong ano na yon ay merong nitrogen. Ganun siya. So, 0 yung phosphorus, 0 yung potassium. Okay? Okay. So, tignan muna natin ito. So, how much nutrients in one sack of common market available fertilizers? Kunwari, ayan. How much NPK nutrients in one sack of fertilizer? To compute, yung weight of nutrient equals to the weight of fertilizer times the fertilizer grade. So, let us say, for example, kapag 14, 14, 14, yan ay complete fertilizer. May 14 siya na nitrogen, may 14 na phosphorus, may 14% na potassium. So, sa 50 kg na sack, ganito mo siya i-compute, 50 times 14% or 0.14. So, dun lalabas na merong 7 kilograms ng nitrogen, 7 kilograms ng phosphorus, 7 kilograms ng potassium. Ayan. So, ganyan mag-compute ng weight of nutrient. Okay, so let us try this. So, ammonium phosphate. So, kapag 50 kilograms na sack, ilan kaya ang nandyan? You can pause this video para sagutin tong dalawang ito. So, solophos. Ang solophos naman, solophosphate. Kaya phosphorus lang yun nandyan. Ilan kaya to sa 50 kilograms na sack? So, I hope that you have answered. And ito ang mga sagot. So, sa 16% nitrogen, so 50 times 0.16 equals 8 kilograms ng nitrogen yung meron doon. Sa 20% phosphorus naman, 50 times 0.2, so 10 kilograms ng phosphorus. Then, potassium yung 50 times 0 equals 0 kasi nga 0 siya. So, sa solophos naman, 18% phosphorus equals 19 kilograms of phosphorus. Ayan. Okay, ngayon let's look at the fertilizer requirement. Paano tayo magko-compute ng fertilizer requirement? So let us take this sample problem. So you have available complete 14, 14, 14 and urea 4600 to fertilize a 1 hectare cornfield. How much of these fertilizers are required to supply the recommended rate of 120N, 60P, tapos 60 na K? Okay, so given, isa natin given, ang mga fertilizers na gagamitin mo ay 14, 14, 14, tapos urea ay 4600. So ang recommended rate ay 120, 60, 60. Tapos hectare, 1 hectare. So, ang hanapin natin ay yung amount of complete fertilizer and urea required. Okay, step 1, compute the amount of fertilizer needed. So, is to start with the lowest. So, sa requirement, siya ay 120, 60, 60, di ba? Ito yung requirement, yung recommended rate. So, let's try to look at the lowest muna, which is 60. Okay? So, ito yung formula natin. Amount of fertilizer needed equals recommended rate. So, that will be 60 times area, 1 hectare, over the nutrient content in the fertilizer. So, that is 14 over 100 or 0.14. So, ito, ang ginamit natin dito ay, since ito ay potassium, ang ginamit natin ay yung 14 na meron sa complete fertilizer. So, dito galing yung 14. Ang urea kasi wala siyang P tas K. So, dito galing yung 14. Okay. So, kapag kinumpute mo yan, lalabas ang 428.57. Yan. So, ayan na yung amount of fertilizer na kailangan. Okay. So, para ma-satisfy itong recommended rate na 60 kilograms per hectare, kailangan mo ng 428.57. So far, alam na natin na kailangan ng 428.6 kilograms of complete fertilizer para makasatisfy doon sa 60 kilogram ng nitrogen, 60 kilogram ng phosphorus at 60 kilogram noong potassium. So dahil itong fertilizer na to ay 14, 14, 14 and complete siya, ibig sabihin by computing for this, na-satisfy na rin natin lahat ng 60 nila. Diba? Kasi meron siyang N, meron siyang P, meron siyang K. So ito, may 60 na tayong N, may 60 na tayong P, may 60 na tayo na K. Kapag nilagay tayo ng 428.6 kilograms ng fertilizer, ng complete fertilizer. Okay, so ngayon, since nakasatisfy na tayo ng 60, 60, 60 from the complete fertilizer, isusubtract na natin yun doon sa recommended rate. So look back, since complete fertilizer meets 60 kilogram rate for all nutrients, then the remaining rate will be 60 N na lang. So far we know that we still need a source for the remaining nutrients na 60 N to come up with the recommended rate. So dyan na papasok si urea. So since urea ay 4600, ayun. So ibig sabihin, kapag naglagay ka ng urea, nitrogen lang yung mapoprovide niya. Walang phosphorus, walang potassium. So perfect. So compute for the remaining fertilizer required. So again, ito yan, urea, 60 kilogram ng N, kasi ayan na lang yung recommended rate na kailangan nating tugunan. I-divide natin siya sa 46. Saan galing yung 46? Sa urea. Ang urea ay 4600. So 46 divided by 100. Ayan. So lalabas yung 130.43 kilograms. So far we know that we need an additional 130.43 kilograms of urea to fill in the 60 N remaining requirement mula sa step 2. Okay? So here are some of the conclusions. So therefore, kailangan natin ng 428.6 kilograms ng complete fertilizer. Yung itong amount na yan, na-satisfy na niya yung 60, 60, 60 na recommended rate. Tapos dahil may isa pang, dahil ang recommended rate ay 120, 60, 60, yung other 60 ay manggagaling sa urea. Yeah. So convert these values to fertilizer bags kapag tinatanong yon. So kapag hindi given sa problem yung kilogram ng isang fertilizer, assume na 50 kilograms na siya. So considering that, yung complete fertilizer natin ay i-divide natin sa 50 kasi 50 kilograms ang isang bag. So 8.6 round up kasi mas magandang sobra. So 9 bags, tas yung urea natin ay 3 bags. I hope that you learned something lalo na sa computation part. If you have any questions regarding the computation, you can just raise them dun sa ating comment section and I will be happy to answer them. And yeah, I think that's it for this episode. See you in the next one. Bye.